Media Server Control Panel is a full-featured auto DJ panel that supports Shoutcast and Icecast servers. You can attach different auto DJ types such as SAM Broadcaster, Radio Boss, Liquid Soap, and the Relax Player. Media Server also includes several advanced features like the built-in transcoder and special audio processors, only found in the Media Server Control Panel. Media Server can also detect dead air and not only fix the problem on its own, but also send you an email notification. First, let's upload some MP3s to the server. Open your Media Server Control Panel and click on the FTP button near the top. Now, click on the Media folder. If you want to upload an entire folder of MP3s, choose the Upload Folder button. For one or more single MP3s, choose the Upload Files button. As long as you're on the hired hosting network, this will be quick. All media servers come with fast 10 gig upload ports for uploading MP3s and remote DJ sessions. When the uploads are complete, go back to your Media Server Control Panel and click on the Configuration button under Auto DJ number 1. Click on the Encoder Settings tab. Choose your preferred Auto DJ in the Auto DJ type drop-down menu. For this demo, we will be using SAM Broadcaster. Save and return to the main page. Next, start the server. Start Auto DJ. Under Auto DJ number 1, click on the Web Control button, which will open SAM Broadcaster. Next, we just need to tell SAM what media folder to use. In the Tracks List section, choose Add Directory. Look for the Z drive under My Computer. Click OK and SAM will sync your files with the media library. Click the play button at the top of the screen. You can adjust the Auto DJ settings near the top of SAM to ensure the music keeps playing. Last, go back to the main page and restart both the server and Auto DJ. On the main page, click on the status site page to verify the stream is online. If you face any problems, try restarting the server and Auto DJ again. Feel free to open a chat or support ticket with us at hiredhosting.com if you need help. We are happy to assist.